In this video, we will show you where to get the FortiClient EMS installer, how to install the software, how to log into EMS, and the location of important software and account settings. Let's get started. Existing customers can download the trial version of the FortiClient EMS from the Fortinet support site. If you're a new customer, you can request a free EMS software trial by going to the FortiClient website, scrolling down to the bottom of the page, and clicking on a free trial button. Alternatively, you can contact your Fortinet sales representative. Here are the minimum system requirements for the FortiClient EMS installation. For new EMS installations, we recommend using a fresh Windows Server install to avoid any possible software conflicts. Installation process is the same if you're upgrading from an existing EMS version. There is no need of uninstalling your current EMS version. Once you download the executable, double-click on the installer, review and accept the Fortinet product license agreement when requested. During the installation, Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express Service Pack 2 will be installed. Since Microsoft SQL Server needs components that are only accessible online, an active internet connection is required to complete the installation. Once the installation completes, you can access the EMS Administrative Console via the newly created desktop shortcut or using the Start menu. When launching EMS for the first time, the default username is admin and there is no password. We will show how to change the default password after logging into your account. Once EMS loads, you will be greeted by the Getting Started window that directs you to help with documentation and videos. Feel free to explore the materials, but for now, let's close the window and look at the account and software settings. We will go into all the capabilities and features of the software in the later videos. For now, let's look at some of the basic settings. The menu on the top right displays the currently logged account and allows you to log out of the software. The Help menu will help you maximize your user experience. This includes direct links to technical forums, how-to videos, and technical documentation. The FortiGuard section shows all the current information about the EMS engine versions and signature versions. To change the account password, go to the Administrators menu. Here we can change the admin account password from blank to something more secure, using at least 8 characters. Once you change the account password, you will be forced to log in again. The System Settings menu contains configuration options for the server network behavior, log settings, as well as settings to connect FortiClient EMS to FortiGuard services, plus other options. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.